My birds are ready to go to sleep. My budgies are sleeping now. Budgies are getting ready to go to sleep. They're shaking for their spots. Good night, budgies, babies. They get so quiet when they're sleeping and they're like moving around to check their spots. Cookie, go to sleep. Look, Cookie, he's still trying to play. Cookie, go to sleep. Cookie. Cookie, go to sleep. He's the only one awake. Cookie, go to sleep. Leave her alone. And this is how I covered them. The first step. Luna's still like running away from Charlotte. And Cookie still have energy. Look at him. Now it's Lucy. Oh no, Lucy, she's getting ready. She likes to be there. Good night, Lucy. Good night, Charlotte. Good night, Luna. Good night, Cookie. Good night, Sunny. Good night, Toby. And that's how they look. 3 cages covered. And they always go to sleep at 6:30. And they wake up at 6:30 a.m. Latest 7, because they need 12 to 14 hours of good sleep. But yes, because they wake up between sleeping, they wake up a lot of times. Good night, budgies.